Hello everyone, this is Mar from GuideWise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your live location on WhatsApp with someone else. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is open WhatsApp. We're going to open the chat where we want to send our location and we're going to press on the plus icon. Now right here, you're going to have access to different things, but we're going to go ahead and check location. And here we're going to have different options. You can either share your live location, meaning that the person is going to be able to see where you are for the next 15 minutes, for the next hour, or for the next 8 hours, or you can share your current location. That is only simply going to share where you are at exactly. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the place and I'm going to go ahead and send my location. And that is it, you guys. The location will automatically be sent to the person and now they're going to be able to see it and follow it so they can go wherever you are.